Dozens of destructive tornadoes broke out in the central US on April 2nd evening and tracked east overnight, killing at least 7 people across Tennessee, Missouri, and Indiana. Storms lost some of their punch, but parts of ravaged Arkansas, Tennessee, and Mississippi will face storms with tornado potential on April 4th. Over 6 million people in those states, as well as Kentucky, Texas, and Louisiana, are under a tornado watch until 10 p.m. local time. Severe storms could impact the region through Saturday. Nearly non-stop rain into the weekend could trigger generational flooding in Arkansas, Missouri, Tennessee, and Mississippi, forecasters warn. Parts of those states and others in the Mississippi Valley are now under the highest risk of flooding rainfall for 3 consecutive days, which is almost unheard of outside hurricane season.